Supreme Court directives on Bahria Town Karachi land dispute, foreign remittance, and legal obligations unveiled. Islamabad, according to recent reports, the Supreme Court, in a significant development on Thursday, November 23, 2023, issued directives to the National Bank of Pakistan concerning foreign remittances in the account designated for Bahria Town Limited, Karachi. The court ordered the National Bank of Pakistan to remit the received amount to the federal government, while the remaining balance should be transferred to the Sindh government. Additionally, the Apex Court instructed the bank to confirm the transfer of these amounts to both the federal and Sindh governments and report back to the Registrar of the Supreme Court. However, the court declined the request made by Advocate General Sindh to also allocate a portion of the foreign remittance to the provincial government. Chief Justice Qazi Faez Isa suggested that if the Sindh government desires a share of the amount, they should approach the federal government directly. In a hearing where a three-judge bench, headed by Chief Justice Qazi Faez Isa and comprising Justice Amin Khan and Justice Athar Minallah, addressed Bahria Town Limited's applications, it was decided that installment payments would not be received until the promised land of 16,896 acres, allocated by the Minallah Development Authority, is provided for the development of their housing society. The bench rejected the applications submitted by Bahria Town Limited, Karachi. Referring to the court's order from March 21, 2019, which fixed the land value at 460 billion rupees, provided by the Minallah Development Authority, it was clarified that Bahria Town was obligated to make the payments. The order outlined the payment period, mode, and the consequences of default if installments were not paid. During the proceedings, it was disclosed that of the agreed-upon amount of 460 billion rupees, only 65 billion rupees had been received in the Supreme Court account to date. The National Accountability Bureau Prosecutor General urged the court to issue an order concerning the £190 million received during the PTI government, which had been deposited in the Supreme Court account. Addressing this matter, Chief Justice Qazi Faez Isa emphasized the court's awareness of its jurisdiction and clarified that the order from March 21, 2019, remains in effect. He stated that if any party fails to comply with the order, the consequences are explicitly outlined, and appropriate action would follow. Highlighting the lack of cooperation from the involved parties despite court orders, Chief Justice Qazi Faez Isa deemed it inappropriate for the court to retain the received amount. Consequently, the court ordered the remittance of the amount, along with the accrued markup, to both the federal and Sindh governments. Thanks for watching. The Capital Lands.